We'd also like to say thank you for sponsors of today's event. Remay,
brought to you by Leapfrog Fight TV.
And a big thank you to Leapfrog Fight TV. This is the 7th of the 30 contest of today's event.
The boxing contest consisting of 3 2-minute rounds. So let's welcome first, boxing out of the blue corner, Jack Palmer!
Jack Palmer fighting out of Fight Team in Barnsley. I've seen Jack fight a few times, he's a very good fighter. Jack making his way to the blue corner.
And his left opponent in the red corner, Remay.
And in the red corner we have Remay Porter fighting out of KAW. Three 2-minute rounds of boxing. Both fighters just taking instructions from the corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, this boxing contest will consist of 3 2-minute rounds. So let's welcome one more time in the blue corner, boxing out of Fight Team, Jack Palmer. And his left opponent in the red corner, boxing out of KAW, Remay.
Interesting bout we have here. Remay Porter from KAW versus Jack Palmer from Fight Team. 3 2-minute rounds of boxing.
And we are away. Oh, lovely shot. Remay Porter dominating. Some heavy shots coming from Remay there.
Really teeing off here. Lots of power, mean intentions behind these punches.
Oh, lovely body shot from Remay.
Lovely. Really peaceful ball angles,
Jack
a lovely
Palmer is
knockdown. Big shots.
Very strong opponent Remay is.
Really dominating here. In the opening round. And it's over.
And it is over.
That is all she wrote.
What a stoppage from Remay.
Brilliant finish from Remay Porter.
Heard every shot.
Really one to watch out for. Smiles all round for his camp.
What a performance.
Unfortunate for Palmer.
Second stoppage of the night.
You can find all the JackHammer UK action live on Leapfrog Fight TV. Download the app. Definitely one to watch out for in the future. Dominant performance here, finishing his opponent in the first round. next we have a ISKA British kickboxing title bout. Ethan Hughes versus JackHammer. That is 5 1.5 minute rounds. But for now we have both fighters in the middle of the ring. Really dominant performance from Porter today.
The referee stopped this contest in the very first round due to corner retirement. For the winner, in the red corner, Remay!
Great performance from Remay Porter here. A good mixture of accuracy and damage.